Hello everyone, I'm Deidre and welcome to E Prime. Rebel Salute. One of Jamaica's biggest reggae show is back. Rock Hotel opened its doors to the launch of the 29th staging of Tony Rebel's annual birthday bash. The event has been on a 2-year hiatus in a physical space due to COVID-19. The launch was hosted by our very own Nisha Yen and saw guest performances from Iwayne, Kamar and a few others. Take a look.
All over the world, reggae music rotate. Pure positive vibe flow straight. People ask, why Rebel so great? Equal rights, him never act like no snake. Whether me I'm going with my gut feeling, and there's an instinct saying this is not one to avoid. Hell no, got to be more than friends. No, I found the courage to say no.
Reggae veteran and man of the show Tony Rebel gave an amazing performance of his popular single If God Is Standing By.
If Jah is standing by, hey, then why should I be here? How the pestilence that crawling. I know if Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be here?
Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange was present at the launch and announced upcoming plans for the entertainment sector.
And I'm pleased to announce tonight that the procurement unit of my ministry went to market for an actuary. That is the people with the technical skills to assist with the tender process for the entertainment insurance.
The 20th staging of Rebel Salute will take place on January 20 and 21 next year at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Anne. It will feature African pop star Stoneboy plus Ding Dong, Iwayne, Christopher Ellis and Leroy Sibbles among a slew of others. See you at Rebel Salute. I'm Deidre. This is E Prime. Thank you for watching.